Hey YouTube, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, doing some microfiber upholstery today. Got a big day today, so I got my wife helping me out. She is scrubbing the furniture with a brush, pre-agitating before I hit it with the Harbor Freight polisher. I have a 9 to 10 inch bonnet over top of a puller pad that's on the Velcro, and this is the love seat and the second section of the sectional, and then this big chase lounge. Getting ready to clean this one, and here I am working on the smaller attachment to the sectional, scrubbing it both directions the same way we VLM carpet. I did use my little foam sprayer and mixed up simple Encap and sprayed it on there. My wife also put some simple Encap in a spray bottle with water to get the backs and the sides and any areas that may look dry. And this is cleaning up very, very nicely. Should take about an hour to dry, maybe less. There is a fan in the room. And this method works fantastic on microfiber. We just pre-vacuum everything with a shop vac. Then we spray it real good. Agitate with a brush, a soft bristled brush, and then extract with a pad. And like I said, this is a microfiber 9-inch slip-on bonnet, and underneath is a polar pad. I'll show you that in a minute. There you go, looking fantastic. And I'll probably take the brush and brush it all one direction. And then this one. And what she did was she owned this chase lounge and the sectional, and she found that love seat I showed you there a minute ago on OfferUp. And that's the ottoman. There's the brush I use and a towel to wipe up any overspray. But these two pieces, they appear a little darker. I think it's the way the lighting is. But she found that love seat, which almost is an identical match on OfferUp. So she decided to have everything cleaned. I did clean the sectional probably 8 months ago. So she's kept it in pretty good shape. She does have dogs, so she wanted to go ahead and just redo those, as well as clean and sanitize the new piece she got. So there you go. I did put some ClO2 in a little spray bottle, the Zep spray bottle, and just post-sprayed it real good to disinfect everything. There's the Harbor Freight orbital with the polar pad on it. So that's the setup. Short, quick video. Got to get back to it. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and I'll see you in the next one.